what's going on. Felix here with some crazy hair right now, but what I plan on doing is removing the ashtray so we can put in our drink holder so we can start being able to have some kind of drink in here, so I'm not just rolling around with it in between my legs. So let's get to it. Alright, first things first, we're going to need to remove this part so we could put this in there. So let's go ahead and put the brake down and take this out. As you can see, it's already want to come out, so let's just go around and gently pop it out. There we go. Get out of the way for now. We have this, so we'll disconnect that. Okay, now that we have it all out, there's some screws here that we need to take apart. That way we can slip the other one in. Alright, once we take those screws off, it comes right off. I undid that power cord that was there. Put that to the side. Just gonna take a look around here. Everything looks good. While I have it open, I might clean this off and reapply it to right here because it kind of came off and that needs to be redone. Alright, after you line it all up, it should line up pretty good with the original. And then we just put the screws back in. Alright, after we got them all put back in, turn around, and that's what it looks like now. So let's put it back. Alright, I went ahead and cleaned it up as best as I could. That stuff must have been there for a while, but now all we have to do is just push it in. Alright, there we go. And now we have a new cup holder for the Supra. No more holding between your legs, because that was getting a little tiresome. I know it's cheating because this is large, but nope, not quite. Oh well.
It tried.
Alright, out here, QT want to try out my new cup holder, so let's see if it works. Perfect, because really that's all I already have my monster while I'm driving around. I'm good to go.